thinking outside the box. If you're going to control things like volume, you have to be quite creative. These days it's very easy to wind the volume up and down at a touch of the button. You might just have to push a button to go up or down. Some machines have controls that slide, that allow you just to slide from one to the other, and they operate. The further up you go, the faster they go. Sometimes, like this clock, the controls are again a slide. So this here slides up and down and changes the current that the clock needs to operate from. But it's effectively like a volume control. However, before electronics, people had to think outside the box. Here is a mid-1930s gramophone. It's wind up with the handle here, and if I turn it on, the clockwork motor runs the record. But to make it louder, you literally put a sock in the speaker. And so if you put a sock in the speaker here, the noise which comes from the speaker tube here goes down the horn and goes into a big horn underneath, pops out there, and you literally put a cloth in it to dead the noise. And the term putting a sock in it comes from gramophone days, and there is no electrics at all. So you had to be very, very creative to solve the problem. You have to include a control button for your volume, but you could have little flaps. So if you want to close and make something quieter, think about shutting the door, so that if you just close the door, the whole thing will be quieter. You could just have some flaps or a cover that just goes over